Hi, my name is Antoinette, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel so you can learn more tidbits and tricks and be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. And if you're watching this, you're watching the second tutorial in this series. So in the first video, we walked through how to make a video background or backdrop using PhotoFox. And as you can see, this is a really quick recap. If you didn't see part 1 of this tutorial, please click on the card above. Now we're going to animate that backdrop. And I'm like so excited to share this with you guys with my favorite program, which is on your phone and you can download on your app store, and it's called Pixaloop. Okay, let's have some fun. Find your Pixaloop app. So at the top of the app, you'll see 4 icons. Pick the second icon, that's the picture app, and open that to create a project. Click on New Project, find your photo, which is probably in your photo album, and you want to find whatever background that you created or whatever picture you want to animate. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, go to the video that is part 1, which is above this video in the playlist. Now for the fun part, animation. On the bottom of the Pixaloop app, you'll see a whole bunch of different commands. Animate, water, sky, overlay, element, and so on. You can swipe to the left and you can see a whole bunch of more commands. If you'd like to see some videos on how to use some other of these elements, just let me know and comment below. We're going to click on Animate, and it's going to take us to all different kinds of overlays. And we're going to select ES14, which is like a mystical fairy dust, and it automatically appears. So to save this, we're going to click on the share button, and it's going to take you to the export screen. Now on the export screen, you'll see video, live wallpaper, and a whole bunch of social media. This is where you can actually save the dimensions of your video to that specific platform, which is pretty awesome. You also can save it to the duration of what that platform is and the quality. Note that if you do take it to 4K the quality, it is going to take a long time to export. As you can see, where does it export to? To your photo album on your phone. And oh my God, this is going so slow. Let's speed this up, because I know you want to learn all about how to use this video background as an overlay in your green screen recordings. To see this tutorial, go to part 3 of this video series. Guys, thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell to see more future videos like this and this. If you found value in this video, do you mind sharing it with some friends? And if you're interested in Because Cosmetics, make sure that you connect with me on my social media channels listed in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.